What's up, people? It's your boy Lex Money Crypto. In today's video, guys, we're going to jump into ICP. Now, we're going to find out exactly how many ICP you guys need to hold to stay ahead of the crowd. We're going to look into some important news, and there are a lot of metrics being ignored by the average person. And then we're also going to look back into the chart, because I know a lot of you guys are getting scared by the current dip. Now, guys, be honest with me. How many of you lot bought it when it was $15? How many of you guys ignored the prices when they were $10, $7, and $5? All three prices which I gave you on this channel multiple times. Guys, I've been seeing a lot of you start to comment saying ICP is getting wrecked, or oh no, I bought the top. Why do I always do this? I sold all of my Solana for ICP. Now, before we start the video, guys, I want to say, if you want to be in Solana, you want to be in AVAX, you want to be in ICP, you want to be in Cardano all together, that is fine. A lot of you guys, you're gonna wreck your bags by trying to play catch up and thinking that you're smarter than the market. Nobody is smarter than the market. Now, guys, ICP is a scarce asset. There's only ever going to be 512 million ICP coins. A lot of people would just say, yeah, let's divide that 512 million coins into 8 billion. Now, instead, what I'm going to do today, guys, is work out if all the adults in America and all the adults in Europe were to try and hold ICP, how much could everybody hold if it was spread evenly? Now, guys, there are 700 million people in Europe, and if we assume 65% of them are adults, that would mean that the average adult could only hold 1.4 ICP each if it was evenly distributed between all the adults in Europe. Now, what about Americans? All of you Americans who are watching the video right now, there's 1 billion of you. But if we assume that 65% are adults, then that leaves only 1 ICP per person, guys. And that's if every adult in America, north and south, wanted to purchase an ICP. You can get 1 each. So yes, while not every adult in the world, in Europe, in America is going to buy an ICP, if everybody suddenly decides that they need it, if the internet truly goes onto the blockchain and they need ICP to use the internet, then if you've got more than 1 ICP, big dog. All right, now, for all of you scaredy cats who get scared at the chart, who buy the top and you can't take these dips, you buy a 300 or a 400% pump. This is what happens. Get used to it, because if you're going to do this in the bull run, it's going to be even harder corrections. There are going to be 30, 40% corrections. And if you are thinking, yeah, I'm going to wait for my coin to pump up 500 to a 10x, guys, don't do it, because you're going to have to endure this. Now, don't get scared out of ICP bags. It's all part of the process. And it is all part of the process. We're trying to find some support here. We're going to look into my trading view at the end, and we're going to see what level. Jesus Christ, I need a coffee today. If you want to send me a coffee, link in the description. We're hitting our key levels of accumulation, guys, and we're going to look at that in just a second. You guys can let me know if you're going to take action or not. And guys, I said this before, I'll say it again. You guys want 1 ICP each. If you're American, 1.4 ICP each. If you're in Europe, half of the supply is already staked on the NNS. You can go and check that yourself, and you can see the 200 million ICP locked up. Majority of it for 8 years. And guys, if you do look up a large majority of your ICP, then yeah, once ICP does reach a high enough amount, you can actually start to just live off your earnings. You can live off your rewards. Don't dissolve them, because if you dissolve them, you lose your voting power. But guys, yeah, if you really have a lot of ICP and you want to stake it and you're thinking, what if I want to sell? What if, you know, the price goes up? You will be earning over the period of your staking. Now, I saw this today and I thought this was very tasty, very interesting. Top governance. Guys, I don't know what's up with my throat. Sorry. Top governance in the entire Web3, 5 of them are ICP projects. Network nervous system, which we go on about every flipping day. Open chat, which I'm going to show you mine in a second. Again. Hot or not, Boom DAO, and Sonic. Wow. You can see the nervous system has 8,530 proposals, 7,000, basically 8,000 successful proposals, and nearly 300 in the past 30 days. And then you go and compare that to any of these other projects, guys. The nervous system is way ahead. And a lot of big YouTubers do not want to talk about it yet because they need more time to be getting as much ICP as possible, guys. Guys, why are a lot of coins not listed on Binance yet? Why are a lot of coins not listed on KuCoin yet? Because the big players, they want time to be getting in. They're not going to make it available to the wider audience before they have a seat on the boat. And then we go back to the open chat, Definity and Beyond. I think someone joined from the YouTube video yesterday. Sorry, I didn't reply. My bad. I'll be in there today. But yeah, 52 members, guys. And remember, I showed you, you guys can go and join all of these communities on the Explore tab right here. And the communities, they keep growing day by day. And that's something that you want to be seeing. All of these chats are burning ICP, guys. You've got thousands of members in some of these chats. Every message is burning ICP. Come and burn some ICP with us. If you're in ICP and you haven't used the nervous system, you haven't been on open chat, I don't know what the hell you're doing. You're going to get a smack. Okay. Now we're going to look into the trading view, guys, because it's time to take action. Will you look at that? That is amazing. New accumulation hit. Do not at me if you don't take action in these times, guys. I didn't know what to say then. In these levels of accumulation, if you don't want to take action, don't at me when the prices go up, because I can't buy it for you. Lead a horse to water, can't make it drink type shit, right? If you don't buy, then quit. And I mean that because you guys can't handle the dips, all right? You can't handle the dips. There's no way you're going to make it through a bull market. And that's not me trying to be anti or negative or anything like that. It's just to save you guys from getting wrecked. You're better investing into more stable assets like your stock market or mortgages or property. Now, guys, we've hit the new accumulation level. We are right at the bottom. So guess what Lex Money's going to be doing? He's going to be buying that shit up. Guys, I am making the most out of any dips that we do get leading up to the halving. And there's probably going to be a lot of dips. I said to you guys in the previous video, they're going to try their best to shake us out in the next 4 to 5 months leading up to the halving. We've got 4 months left. We've got 110 days until the halving. You've got to make every day count. Now, guys, if this lower level of the accumulation is actually the low, right, and we find some support of this previous high, then our next leg up is taking us to $19, okay, nearly $20. And you guys, you're gonna wait and you're gonna buy at $20, okay? Don't do that. Don't do that. If you're gonna get in on ICP, your best bet is to just DCA, okay? If you can't handle seeing your portfolio go up and down, put it in the nervous system. It doesn't even show you the dollar amount. It just shows you the ICP amount. And that's all you should care about. Put it in the nervous system. Lock it up for 6 months. Thank yourself in summer, guys. Okay? Please, please, please. It's not financial advice. Make the most out of all the opportunities that you're getting. But that's it for ICP, my family. It's Saturday. I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to get a haircut. Look at my hair. My hair is... ugh. My hair needs a haircut, so if you want to help me out, you can go and leave like a super thanks to go towards my haircut or something like that, because I need a trim. Anyway, enough about my hair. Guys, let me know what coin you want me to cover in the next video. Let me know if you're enjoying the ICP content. And until next time, it's been your boy Lex Money Crypto. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.